This organic body butter costs less to make than one store-bought jar, and the ingredients are actually better for your skin. Today we're using simple, skin-loving ingredients: shea butter for deep moisture, mango butter for softness, and natural oils packed with vitamins your skin will love. Start by carefully measuring your ingredients into a jar. The secret to a smooth, luxurious body butter is getting the balance just right. Every ingredient has a purpose, and together they create pure skincare magic. I am adding 1 tablespoon shea butter, 1 tablespoon mango butter, 5 milliliters almond oil, 1 teaspoon equivalent of vitamin E oil, 1 tablespoon sunflower oil. Transfer everything into a mixing bowl and using a hand mixer, whip the mixture until it transforms into a creamy, cloud-like body butter. Applying no heat helps preserve the natural goodness, while blending all the ingredients into a silky mixture. Once creamy, you can add your favorite nourishing oils. This is also the perfect time to add a few drops of essential oil for a beautiful natural scent as desired. Spoon your freshly whipped body butter into clean jars. Look at that texture, smooth, rich, and completely organic. And that's it, handmade, natural, and ready to nourish your skin. Please like and subscribe for more DIY skincare recipes.